Hi guys, I wanted to show you how to make pudding today out of collagen. Collagen is something I recently came across because my knees were starting to kill me. And I read that collagen is good for joint health, bone health, all sorts of things. So there's two kinds. This is the one that a lot of people do. It's hydrolyzed, which means you can absorb it in any kind of cold water, warm water, doesn't matter. And this one is more of a gelatin. They're both great products. They're both grass-fed and organic, but this one you can make things like puddings, jello, thickeners. So that's what I want to show you today. This is a chocolate pudding that is only 100 calories and very little sugar. So come over to the stove with me and I'll show you. So I just started heating up the milk. The whole recipe takes 3 3/4 cups of milk, and that's just kind of what I found works. This is unsweetened almond milk. You can use regular milk if you want, but this way you can have it dairy-free. So you just do 2 tablespoons, and I kind of sprinkle the gelatin over. They call it blooming. I don't know really what that means, but they call it blooming. So here we go, one more. And then you take my stirred. This is my squirrel that my friend Megan bought me for Christmas a few years ago. I still love it. And you just want to get that up to a nice slow boil. While I'm doing this, I can tell you also collagen is really good for heart health, skin, hair, nails. I've only been doing it for about 3 weeks. They say it takes about 2 months to really see a difference with hair and skin. But I can say I did stop for a couple days out of an experiment and my knee pain came back. So something definitely must be working. Okay. All right, it's in. Now, only 1 tablespoon of sugar for the whole recipe, and you're gonna see it's 3 big servings. So plop in a tablespoon of sugar, 6 tablespoons of unsweetened Hershey cocoa powder, a little whirl. Okay. I'm gonna add the remaining of the cold milk. So obviously I wanted to blend that all up while it was still warm to get the chocolate melted and the sugar. That's it, and now we pour. So for only 100 calories, I can have all of this, which is about 10 ounces. Put it in the fridge. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 hours to cool and set. And you can add whipped cream to it. Makes it a little less healthy, but you know, a dab's not gonna kill you. And you can also make it creamier by using whole milk or 2% instead of the almond milk. So that's it. I hope you enjoy. Happy and healthy bones to you.